Dreaming of owning a piece of real estate in the financial district of Miami, an area with exponential growth? Hey friends, welcome in. Today we have something really special to show you. An investment opportunity in Brickell, Miami. My name is Barry Cessna, your Brickell Realtor, and this is a newer short-term rental unit located in the heart of Brickell, just 2 blocks from the famous Brickell City Centre and Miami River. This 1-bedroom unit sleeps 4 people and comes fully furnished. Inside the unit, you will notice the wet bar with refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, and sink. The modern decor welcomes your guests upon arrival. They will enjoy the sleek luxury vinyl plank flooring, quartz countertops, European cabinets, and a great balcony with city views. The unit also comes with a workspace, sleeper sofa, comfortable bed, and chairs, as well as modern art throughout the unit. This turnkey unit is currently generating revenue every night. The host has achieved super host status and has garnered perfect 5-star reviews, and is also a guest favorite on Airbnb. Now this month of July, it's 90% booked. A 90% occupancy is huge for July in Miami. Want to enjoy a weekend in Brickell? Why not stay at your very own condo? Just pencil yourself in and enjoy all that Miami has to offer. All right, let's take a look inside. Wow, what an incredible property with amazing amenities like the 8th floor pool, the gym, the spa, a coffee shop on property for your guests to relax and enjoy their breakfast. Now let's talk about the location. Just 2 blocks from Brickell Village and Brickell City Centre, housing some of Miami's finest restaurants, high-end designer boutiques, and exciting nightlife. Just a block from the new Miami Underline, where your guests can enjoy a relaxing walk or morning jog. The Publix, the Miami Metrorail, and the Miami Metromover stations are just a block away, giving easy access to the Miami International Airport, Brightline Station, Miami World Center, Cessna Center, and beyond. A truly remarkable location with unmatched potential. Your guests pay your mortgage as you watch the appreciation grow. My name is Cessna, your Brickell Realtor. And if you'd like to know more information about this premium condo here in Brickell or other properties here in the downtown Miami area, go ahead and contact me today, making realty dreams a reality here in Brickell, Miami.